Morning today is July 16, 2026. We are having the pre-bid conference for 8 civil works projects under Bataan 3rd District Engineering Office. So before we start, please introduce the established forum.
Good morning po. For today's party conference, we have a quorum headed by Adrian, Patrick, and Clemente. Back members, Engineer Patrick Vincent B. Sabala, Back Vice Chairman, Ms. RBT Castro, Engineer Roel Ronquillo, online via Zoom, and Engineer Daniel, online via Zoom. From the Back PWD, headed by Engineer Kerwin Ian M. Reyes, Engineer Adriel M. Bandon, and Engineer Carmela May B. Castro. From the back secretariat headed by Engineer Katrina M. Lacanlale, Engineer Jessa M. Diaz, and Mr. Mark Billy M. Malabanan. Um, no observers online via Zoom or present on site.
Right, yung prospective leaders, wala.
No, wala.
Sige. Sige, start tayo. Dear Kerwin, first two projects tayo.
Project contract ID number 2600072, Bridge Program Rehabilitation or Major Repair of Permanent Bridges, Limuranin Bridge along Governor J.J. Linao Road. ABC 14,406,000 pesos only, located at Morong Bataan. Scope of work, bridge concrete. Contract duration, 119 calendar days. Required pickup license, category of C and D for small B. Issuance of bidding documents July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee 25,000 pesos only. Major category of work BCC, WOP, bridges, construction, concrete, superstructure without files. Minimum work experience required for key personnel. For the project manager, 1 year of general and relevant experience. Project engineer must be PPE DPWH accredited. For materials engineer, 1 year of general and relevant experience. And for foreman, 1 year of general and relevant experience. Minimum major equipment requirements, 1 unit of dump truck with a capacity of 12 cubic yards. 1 unit of water truck with a capacity of 16,000 liters. 1 unit of cargo or service truck with a capacity of 2 to 5 metric tons, one backhoe with a capacity of 0.8 cubic meters, 1 unit of payloader with a capacity of 1.5 cubic meters, 1 unit of motorized road grader with a capacity of 163 horsepower, 1 unit of laboratory roller with a capacity of 10 metric tons, and one set of laboratory equipment based on DEO number 11 series of 2017. For our second project, contract ID number 2600073, Convergence and Special Support Programs, Sustainable Infrastructures, Projects Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of Bangal Bridge, Barangay Bangal, Dinalupihan, Bataan, Station 0 to Station 040. ABC, 94,438,760 pesos only, located at Dinalupihan, Bataan. Scope of work, bridge concrete. Contract duration, 282 calendar days. Required pickup license, category of B for medium A. Issuance of bidding documents, July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee, 50,000 pesos only. Major category of work, BCCDP, bridges construction, concrete superstructure with driven Piles. The minimum work experience requirement for key personnel for the project manager must have 2 years of general and relevant experience. Project engineer must be PPE DPWH accredited. Material engineer must be NE1 DPWH accredited. For foreman, 2 years of general experience and 1 year of relevant experience. The minimum major equipment requirement are the following. One unit of dump truck, 12 cubic yards. One unit of water truck, 16,000 liters. One unit of cargo or service truck with a capacity of 9 to 10 metric tons. One unit of backhoe with a capacity of 0.8 cubic meters. One unit of payloader with a capacity of 1.5 cubic meters. One bulldozer with a capacity of 167 horsepower. One motorized road grader with a capacity of 163 horsepower. One unit of vibratory roller with a capacity of 10 metric tons. One truck-mounted crane with a capacity of 41 to 45 metric tons. One diesel hammer with a capacity of 7,500 kilogram meter. And one set of laboratory equipment based on DEO number 11, series of 2017.
Next, Irati.
Contract ID number 26CO0074, Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, access roads and/or bridges on the national roads, leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Sitio Lower, Balandasan, to Sitio Prussia Road, Barangay Mountain View, Mariveles, Bataan, Station 0 plus 000 to Station 2 plus 005. Approved budget 63,593,500 pesos only. Location Mariveles, Bataan. Scope of work road concrete. Contract duration 267 calendar days. Required pickup license category of B for medium A. Issuance of bidding documents July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee 50,000 pesos. Major category of work RCP Roads Construction PCC. Minimum work experience requirements for key personnel, project manager, 2 years general experience and 1 year relevant experience. Project engineer, at least DPWH accredited PPE. Material engineer, DPWH accredited ME1. Foreman, 2 year general experience and 1 year relevant experience. Minimum major equipment requirements. Motorized road grader, 140 horsepower, 1 unit. Vibratory roller, 10 metric tons, 125 horsepower, 1 unit. Cargo delivery truck, all models 2 to 5 metric tons, 160 horsepower, 1 unit. Dump truck, 12 cubic yards, 1 unit. Water truck or pump, 16,000 liters, 1 unit. Payloader, 1.5 cubic meter or 1.95 cubic yards, 1 unit. Backhoe with permanent breaker, 0.80 cubic meters, 1 unit. And one set of laboratory equipment based on DO number 11, series 2017. Contract ID number 26CO0075. Convergence and Special Support Programs, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG access roads and/or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Colo Liaban Bridge, Barangay Colo, Dinalupihan, Bataan. Station 0 plus 000 to Station 0 plus 014. Approved budget 23,976,680 pesos only. Location Dinalupihan, Bataan. Scope of work bridge concrete. Contract duration 232 calendar days. Required pickup license category of C and D for small b. Issuance of bidding documents July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee 25,000 pesos. Major category of work BCCDP, bridges, construction, concrete superstructure with ribbon pad. Minimum work experience requirements for key personnel. Project manager, 1 year general and relevant experience. Project engineer, DPWH accredited PPE. Material engineer, DPWH accredited NP1. Foreman, 1 year general and relevant experience. Minimum major equipment requirement. Dump truck, all models, 12 cubic yards, 290 horsepower, 1 unit. One truck, all mix, 16,000 liter, 360 horsepower, 1 unit. Cargo or service trucks, 9 to 10 metric tons, 270 horsepower, 1 unit. Backhoe, 0.80 cubic meter, 1 horsepower, 1 unit. Payloader, 1.5 cubic meter, 110 horsepower, 1 unit. Bulldozer, 167 horsepower, 1 unit. Motorized road grader, 163 horsepower, 1 unit. Vibratory roller, 10 metric tons, 125 horsepower, 1 unit. Truck-mounted crane, standard that is boom, 41 to 45 metric tons, 246 horsepower, 1 unit. Diesel hammer, 7,500 kilogram meter, 1 unit. And laboratory equipment based on DO number 11 series 2017 1 set.
Jumela, 5 and 6.
Contract ID number 26C00076. Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Agape Road, Barangay San Antonio, Bataan, Station 0 plus 0002 to Station 1 plus 250. Approved budget for the contract 48,510,000 pesos. Location, Bataan. Scope of work, road concrete. Contract duration, 210 calendar days. Required PCAB license. Category of B for medium A. Issuance of bidding documents. July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee, 25,000 pesos. Major category of work. RCP Roads Construction PCP. The minimum work experience requirements for key personnel. For project manager, 1 year of general and relevant experience. For project engineer, must be PPE, DPWH accredited. For material engineer, must be ME1 DPWH accredited. For foreman, must must have 1 year of general and relevant experience. The minimum major equipment requirements, 1 unit dump truck, 12 cubic yards, 1 unit cargo truck, 2 to 5 metric tons, 1 unit motorized road grader, 140 horsepower, 1 unit vibratory roller, 10 metric tons, 1 unit water truck, 16,000 liters, and 1 set of laboratory equipment based on DO number 11 series of 27. Contract ID number 26C00077, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program BIP, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities, construction of Biyaan Road, Barangay Biyaan, Mariveles, Bataan, Station 0 plus 000 to Station 1 plus 220. Approved budget for the contract, 46,601,280 pesos. Location, Mariveles, Bataan. Scope of work, road concrete. Contract duration, 210 calendar days. Required pickup license, category of B for medium A. Issuance of bidding documents, July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee, 25,000 pesos. Major category of work, RCP. Roads construction, PCCP. The minimum work experience requirements for key personnel. For project manager, 1 year of general and relevant experience. For project engineer, must be PPE, DPWH accredited. For material engineer, must be ME1, DPWH accredited. And for foreman, 1 year of general and relevant experience. The minimum major equipment requirements, 1 unit motorized road grader, 140 horsepower, 1 unit vibratory roller, 10 metric tons, 125 horsepower, 1 unit cargo truck or delivery truck, 2 to 5 metric tons, 160 horsepower, 1 unit dump truck, 10 cubic meter, 1 unit water truck or pump, 16,000 liters, and 1 set of laboratory equipment based on DO number 11 series of 2017.
Jim Jessa, last 2 projects.
Contract ID number 26CO0078. Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP. Multipurpose buildings or facilities to support social services. Construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Colo, Dinalupihan, Bataan. Approved budget for the contract, 4,950,000. Location, Dinalupihan, Bataan. Scope of work, multipurpose building. Contract duration, 128 calendar days. Required pickup license, category of C and D for small b. Issuance of bidding documents, July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee, 5,000 pesos. Major category of work, BICWO PLC. The minimum work experience requirements for key personnel are the following: 1 year general and relevant experience for project manager, PPE for project engineer, 1 year general and relevant experience for material engineer, 1 year general and relevant experience for foreigner. The minimum major equipment requirements are the following: 1 unit of dump truck with a capacity of 12 cubic yards, 290 horsepower, one set of laboratory equipment based on DO number 11 series of 2017. Contract ID number 26CO0079, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program BIP, Multipurpose Buildings or Facilities to Support Social Services, construction of two-story FDRRMC Command Center, Barangay Baseco, Mariveles, Bataan. Approved budget for the contract, 19,800,000. Location, Mariveles, Bataan. Scope of work, multipurpose building. Contract duration, 280 calendar days. Required pickup license, category of CND for small b. Issuance of bidding documents, July 7, 2026 to July 28, 2026. Bidding documents fee, 25,000 pesos. Major category of work, BICWO PLC. The minimum work experience requirements for key personnel are the following: 1 year general and relevant experience for project manager. For project engineer must be PPE DPWH accredited. For material engineer must be MP1 DPWH accredited. For foreman, 1 year general and relevant experience. The minimum major equipment requirements are the following: 1 unit of dump truck, 12 cubic yards, 290 horsepower, one set of laboratory equipment based on DO number 11 series of 2017.
Ah, Proceed tayo sa provisions common for civil works projects. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in the ITB Clause 16. Prospective bidders must be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board and must possess a valid pickup license specifically required for each project. Bidders with a pickup size range of medium A who are participating in the procurement of projects with an approved budget for the contract of more than 30 million, but less than 150 million shall be required to submit a valid ISO 9001 2015 certification or its latest applicable version as part of their bid in accordance with Department Order 110 Series of 2024 of the Department of Public Works and Highways. Contractors, applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid to the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the procurement service during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. In addition to the project requirements under ITB Clause 12.1H, bidders shall submit as part of their bid the latest general information sheet reflecting the beneficial ownership information duly filed with and stamp received by the Securities and Exchange Commission. This requirement shall apply only to legal entities such as corporations, partnerships, private sectors organizations, foundations, and associations. In compliance with Section 82, Declaration of Beneficial Ownership of the Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act 12009. Pursuant to ITB Clause 12.1c, all bidders are required to fully and truthfully disclose all ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts, including contracts with the DPWH, other government agencies, and private entities by submitting a duly accomplished statement of all ongoing government and private contracts. Failure to submit the required statement or declare any ongoing or awarded but not yet started contract shall constitute a ground for disqualification and may result in the imposition of the appropriate actions. Bidding will be conducted through competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the IRR, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act. Bidding is restricted to Filipino citizens, sole proprietorships, cooperatives, and partnerships or organizations with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to the citizens of the Philippines. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bid in accordance with Section 61 of RA 12009 and its IRR. Interested bidders may obtain further information from the DPWH Bataan 3rd District Engineering Office and inspect the bidding documents at the address given below from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. during weekdays. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by the interested bidders from July 7 to July 28, 2026, 10 a.m. from the Procurement Unit, DPWH Bataan 3rd DEO. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System and the website of the procuring entity, provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than submission of their bids. Bids must be duly received by the Bids and Awards Committee Secretariat through manual submission at the DPWH Bataan 3rd Temporary Headquarters, DPWH Bataan 2nd DEO Compound, Balangas City, Bataan, or online or electronic submission through the electronic bids underscore Bataan 3 at dpwh.gov.ph on or before July 28, 2026, 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. Bid opening shall be on July 28, 2026, 10 a.m. at Bidding Room Procurement Unit, DPWH Bataan 3rd DO, and or via Zoom, which shall also be live streamed on the procuring entity's official YouTube channel. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representatives who choose to attend the activity. The DPWH Bataan 3rd DO reserves the right to reject any of all bids, declare a failure bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 70 of RA 12009 without incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. Any questions po from the members? Hearing none, so we will now end the private conference for today. Thank you po.